Hello dear fans. What is line and phase voltage? Three-phase circuits are the most common in modern power engineering. They make it possible to obtain two operating voltages in one installation, line and phase. Linear voltage is called the voltage between two phase wires. Sometimes it is referred to as phase-to-phase or phase-to-phase. Phase is the voltage between the neutral wire and one of the phase. Under normal operating conditions, the line voltages are the same and exceed the phase voltages by 173 times. Operating voltages of the three-phase circuit. Three-phase circuits have a number of advantages over multi-phase and single-phase circuits. With their help you can easily obtain a rotational circular magnetic field, which ensures the operation of asynchronous motors. The voltage of a three-phase circuit is estimated by its line voltage. For lines outgoing from substations, it is set at 380 V, which corresponds to a phase voltage of 220 V. To designate the nominal voltage of a three-phase four-wire network, both values are used 380/220 V, thereby emphasizing that they can connect not only three-phase devices designed for a rated voltage of 380 V, but also single-phase devices for 220 V. A phase is a part of a multi-phase system that has the same current characteristic. Regardless of the method of connecting the phases, there are three-phase circuits with the same RMS voltage. They are phase-shifted relative to each other by an angle of 2π/3. In a four-wire circuit, in addition to three line voltages, there are also three-phase voltages. Rated voltages. The most common rated voltages of AC receivers are 220, 127 and 380 V. Voltages of 220 and 380 V are most often used to power industrial devices, and 127 and 220 V are used for household devices. All of them, 127, 220 and 380 V, are considered to be the rated voltages of a three-phase network. Their presence in a four-wire network makes it possible to connect single-phase receivers, which are designed for 220 and 127 V or 380 and 220 V. Distribution system differences. The most widespread is the 380/220 V three-phase system with a grounded neutral, but there are other ways of distributing electricity. For example, in a number of settlements, you can find a three-phase system with an ungrounded insulated neutral and a line voltage of 220 V. In this case, a neutral wire is not required, and the likelihood of electric shock in case of insulation failure is reduced due to an ungrounded neutral. Three-phase receivers are connected to three-phase wires, and single-phase receivers are connected to line voltage between any pair of phase wires. Thanks for watching.